In this video, I will show you how to check if you have a VPN on your laptop or PC. If you find out that you do not have a VPN or you want a safer option, I recommend using NordVPN. It is fast, secure, and easy to use. There is a link in the description where you can try NordVPN for a great price. First, let us check if a VPN app is installed on your computer. If you are using Windows, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type the word Apps. Open the Apps and Features menu. You will see a list of programs installed on your device. Scroll through it slowly. If you see names like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, Surfshark, Proton VPN, or any other VPN name, then a VPN is installed. If you do not see anything like that, you likely do not have a VPN on your system. Now, let us check if a VPN is running in the background. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen where you see small icons. Click the arrow to show hidden icons. If a VPN is active, you may see a shield icon, a key icon, or the logo of a VPN app. Click the icon to open it. It will show you if the VPN is connected or disconnected. You can also check through your network settings. Press the Windows key and the letter I together to open Settings. Go to Network and Internet. Then click on VPN. If you see an active connection listed, your device is using a VPN right now. If nothing is listed, then no VPN is active. Another quick check is to confirm your IP address. Open your browser and type what is my IP. If the location shown is different from your real location, a VPN is likely active. If it matches your real city or region, then you are probably not using a VPN. If you use a work laptop, your company may have added a VPN for security. Go back to Network and Internet settings and check for any VPN profiles named after your workplace. If you see one, it may be a company VPN. You should also check your browser extensions. Open your browser settings, go to Extensions, and look for names like NordVPN, Surfshark, or anything related to VPNs. Extensions can run even when the main app is not open. If after checking everything you find that you do not have a VPN or you want a better and safer one, I recommend trying NordVPN. It is one of the strongest and fastest options available, and it is very simple to use. You can use the link in the description to try NordVPN for a great price.